Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Instagram stories background on your stories. So basically, when you want to upload your story, let's do that. So I just chose a random photo, and as you can see, when I try to change this photo's size, you can see that the background is some complementing color of the photo. So there's a way actually to change that, but you will need to do a few things. So first of all, to change the color of the background, you're gonna click on the top wiggly thing, this one. After that, you can choose a color you want to make the background. So for example, I'm gonna choose a white one or a black one, and after that you will hold your finger on the background for a while, and it will change to black, as you can see. But as you can see, there's no photo I just uploaded, so this is the issue actually. But what you can do is basically go to your gallery, choose a photo you want to upload. So let's do that. And after you choose a photo you want to upload, you're gonna click on share button, and after that you click on copy photo. Then you go back to your Instagram and you can add the sticker, but you have to be quick to do this. So after that you can click on done, and you can change the photo size as you wish. And also there's the same way to do this is actually click on the sticker button. After that you're gonna scroll down, and here you can see that you can add a gallery, a photo from the gallery. So this is the same. You can click on that, choose a photo, and it's gonna add a photo like this right here on Instagram stories. So that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and take care. Bye.